Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting and transformative topics of our time, the rise of AI. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword or a distant dream anymore. It's here, shaping the way we live, work, and connect. For young people, students, and job seekers, AI is opening doors to a world of opportunities that were unimaginable just a decade ago. Let me ask you a question. How often do you interact with AI? You might think, oh, I don't work in tech, this doesn't apply to me. But here's the thing, every time you ask your phone for directions, stream your favorite playlist, or use an app to learn a new language, you're engaging with AI. It's everywhere, quietly transforming our daily lives. AI is booming for a reason. It's not just about coding and robotics, it's about solving real-world problems. Think about it, AI-powered systems are diagnosing diseases faster than ever, optimizing how we use energy, and even predicting natural disasters. These are challenges humanity has faced for centuries, and now, with the power of AI, we are finally cracking the code. For young learners, this is a golden era. AI isn't just for scientists or engineers anymore. Fields like marketing, healthcare, education, and even art are embracing AI. That means you don't need to be a tech genius to be part of this revolution. You just need curiosity and a willingness to learn. Let's talk about jobs, because I know that's on everyone's mind. It's true that AI is automating some roles, but it's also creating entirely new ones. Roles like AI trainers, data analysts, ethical AI consultants, and even AI-enhanced creative designers are emerging. These are jobs that didn't exist 5 or 10 years ago. What does this mean for you? It means there's no better time to upskill. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and even YouTube are offering free or affordable courses to get you started in AI-related fields. Employers today value adaptability and a growth mindset more than ever. And if you are worried about competing with machines, let me share this. AI doesn't replace people, it enhances them. Your creativity, emotional intelligence, and ability to think critically are things AI can't replicate. Pair those strengths with a bit of tech knowledge, and you are unstoppable. So, how do you start? You don't need to dive into deep learning or neural networks right away. Begin with the basics, learn about data. Understanding how information is collected, stored, and analyzed is the foundation of AI. If you are a creative, explore tools that use AI to enhance art, video editing, or writing. If you are into business, look into AI for data visualization or customer behavior analysis. Remember, learning AI doesn't have to be overwhelming. Take small steps, but be consistent. There are countless tutorials, mentors, and communities ready to help. Surround yourself with like-minded people who are eager to grow, and you'll find the journey a lot more exciting. Here's why I believe youth have the upper hand in this AI revolution. Young people are naturally adaptable, quick to learn, and unafraid to challenge the norm. You grew up in a digital age, and technology is already second nature to you. AI rewards curiosity, creativity, and the courage to experiment, all traits that define today's youth. This isn't just about coding or algorithms, it's about reimagining what's possible. Whether you dream of starting your own company, solving global challenges, or simply having a meaningful career, AI can be your launchpad. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this thought: AI isn't just the future, it's your future. Embrace it. Learn from it. Innovate with it. Don't let fear of the unknown hold you back. Instead, see this as an adventure, a chance to carve out your own path in a world full of possibilities. The rise of AI is a story of hope and progress. And guess what? You have the chance to write the next chapter. To every young learner, job seeker, and dreamer out there, take that first step today. In this AI-driven world, the ones who rise are the ones who dare to learn and adapt. Thank you for watching. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you unlock your potential. Until next time, stay curious, stay motivated, and keep building your future.